The 9 best high-protein foods. What we think of as protein is actually a large category of molecules. They give structure and support to your cells and are necessary for immune function, movement, chemical reactions, hormone synthesis, and more. Some people need more protein than others. However, it's important that everyone get optimal amounts of protein for them by eating protein-rich foods regularly. In this video, we will tell you about 9 delicious high-protein foods. Number 1. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of protein and provides a number of important vitamins and minerals, like iodine, selenium, and vitamin B12. People who include a lot of fish in their diet tend to have a lower risk of health conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Fatty fish like salmon and herring are high in omega-3 fats, which have powerful benefits for your overall health, including supporting heart health. Number 2. Lean beef. Lean beef is a rich source of protein. It's also high in bioavailable iron, zinc, selenium, and vitamins B12 and B6. Red meat can be a part of a healthy diet, but it's best to moderate your intake. Consuming high amounts of red meat has been linked to a higher risk of developing certain health conditions, including colorectal cancer. Number 3. Lentils. Lentils are among the richest sources of plant-based protein you can eat. Lentils loaded with other nutrients too, including fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, and manganese. Studies show that people who regularly consume lentils and other legumes have a lower risk of developing health conditions like heart disease and fatty liver disease. Number 4. Milk. Dairy milk contains a little of nearly every nutrient that your body needs. It's a good source of high-quality protein, and it's high in vitamins and minerals, like calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B2. Non-dairy milk alternatives, like cashew milk and coconut milk, can be a good substitute for milk in many cases, but they're usually much lower in protein and don't contain the same nutrient. If you drink dairy milk, including lactose-free milk, it can be a good choice to increase your protein intake. Number 5. Greek yogurt. It has a creamy texture and is a good source of many nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, vitamin A, selenium, and zinc. Its slightly tart flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, making it a versatile kitchen ingredient. Try adding Greek yogurt to smoothies, soups, salad dressings, and baked goods, or just enjoy it with a bit of fruit and a sprinkle of crushed nuts for crunch. Number 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a type of cheese that is low in fat and calories, yet high in protein. It's rich in calcium, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and various other nutrients. Research suggests that cottage cheese is just as filling as eggs, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying meal or snack. Number 7. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is an excellent choice if you're trying to bump up your protein intake. In addition to protein, chicken provides a variety of B vitamins, plus minerals like zinc and selenium. Number 8. Almonds. Almond are a nutritious tray nut rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Eating almond may benefit your health in several ways, including by lowering heart disease risk factor like high LDL cholesterol and high blood pressure. Number 9. Eggs. Whole eggs are a good source of protein that's easy to absorb, and they're also an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Whole eggs are packed with selenium and vitamins B12 and A. They're also rich in choline, a nutrient that's especially important during pregnancy and breastfeeding because it plays critical roles in growth and development. Keep in mind that egg whites are almost pure protein, but whole eggs that include the yolk provide many more nutrients. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.